Oh, there we come again into some crazy landscape. Woo! Look at the sun. Woo! Bugs of riding the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Whoa! Look at these birds, man. Green birds. Whoa, man. Exploration. Where does this take me to? Wow, wow, wow. Nope. Should I? This is crazy. Yep. No other way than cut through. Okay. Here we go. For exploration. Wet ground. Gotta be careful. Not want any kind of slides. Whoa. Again. Look at the setting sun. Vast lands. I go gaga over landscape like this. I don't know why. This just drives me crazy. To be able to see all this. Just to be able to see all this. I kind of moved away from the city and came to the outskirts. Just to be able to see all this almost on a daily basis. The city was just getting a little too fast for me. It was too much to take every day. And now that I don't have to cut through all that traffic and all that drama, everyday drama, I get to see all of this. This is how it's supposed to be. Earth. You need to have so much space for yourself to introspect, to think about life and to feel good about life, to feel good about continuing to live. Otherwise, it's just a rat race that nobody really understands the purpose of which. Anyways, I might not be making any sense, but this is just spectacular. And then now, that's all that I'm left with. My only friend. My Himalayan. Yeah, so these guys are lucky to have, if you guys can see, those villas there. Those guys are lucky to have such amazing landscape all to themselves. I've been here once, but back then when I came here, this was all underwater. The whole of it was underwater. And now surprisingly, after those torrential rains, it still is dry. I was hoping to see water here, but I could ride this far. And of course I can continue, I can keep going and check the place out. But yes, this video is about nothing. This video is about just exploring. And you could call it adventure, you could call it anything, but the idea of exploring is very, very important to the humankind. I keep myself human when I explore. When I connect with my most primitive self, my most basic self, I feel a lot more human. The iPhone in my hand, the Royal Enfield Himalayan by my side, and all the computers that I have with me, they don't help. Just this one thing I'm grateful for, because it gets me to such places. Otherwise, this is important. This is important for every single human being, to be able to feel your human self every once in a while. And that's one of those reasons why I still hold on to the Himalayan. I could have sold it, I could have gotten myself an eye candy, which I had plenty of them before. But I still hold on to this machine is because this machine doesn't care about getting dirty. I mean, you can just get it anywhere. And you can witness such lovely, lovely landscape. Yeah, so these are little things that I do every day. I take the motorcycle, I go in search of landscape like this, and some days I get lovely pieces of land, some days I don't. But this is a daily habit. Get onto the motorcycle, hunt down something that makes you feel alive. We'll head back on the route that I came from. Okay, Himi.